Expanding, a hollow forging operation whereby the diameters are increased by reducing the wall thickness with relatively little increase in length by working on a mandrel. This is called as expanding. Extrusion, the process of forcing metal to follow through a die orifice in the same direction in which energy is being applied. Forward extrusion, or in the reverse direction, backward extrusion, in which case the metal usually flows the contour of the punch or moving forging tool. The extrusion principle is used in many impression die forging applications.